Hi guys, Miss Cross here, your long lost librarian, to show you guys how to do some research for your Genius Hour projects. So, first thing you need to know is you're going to log into your portal, portal.austinisd.org, and then you are going to search up here at the top MackinVia, and it'll pop up the little rainbow circle on the left. Click on that. You're going to log in with your same portal credentials, exactly the same thing. So you guys will have an S and then your ID, and then it's your birthday, like any AISD computer. Log in. And while we're here, just so you guys know, we have a ton of free ebooks in MackinVia. I've started doing some featured groups here. Ebooks, audiobooks, graphic novels, and you can search any book you want right in this box. But today, the main focus is your Genius Hour projects. So you are going to look on this left-hand side and click on databases. And there are tons of databases in here. I don't want to overwhelm you with those. You are going to go to a specific one, Britannica Middle School. And you're going to click Open Now, Britannica Middle School. And then here, it's like its own little Google. You are going to search your topic or something related to one of your topic points. So for example, if I'm doing a project about ocean pollution, I'm going to type that in the search bar. From here, it's going to pull up articles. You can see right here on this tab, articles related to ocean pollution right there in the database. And the good thing with these databases are that you know that this is good information. It is reliable, it is credible, it is not crap. So I'm going to click on water pollution. This is a pretty short, nice little article. You can skim through that, watch the videos, maybe something there will help you. Also really nice in Britannica middle school, you can listen to the articles. It'll read it to you. Also something to note, the cite button. Clicking the cite button, you're going to change it to APA. That's what you're going to use in high school and in college, so go ahead and get used to using that. This is saying where you got the information. This is a source, and all you'll do is highlight this, copy and paste it into your research notes that Ms. Cook and Ms. Stockbauer have provided for you guys. So that's how you cite the source there. Another thing I want to show you in this database, it's real nice. You just click the back arrow to go back. You can look at images related to ocean pollution. All of these here. Videos. Dictionary is not very helpful. You want to skip that. You can look at magazine articles that they've pulled, and it tells you where it came from. That's right here, the author, the name of the magazine, and then the date. You click on that, it'll bring you those magazines. And then also what I think you guys are going to use a lot in here are the Web's Best Sites button. And that pulls up other websites that has information on your topic. So instead of just Googling, where you can get all kinds of information, good and bad, this kind of narrows the information for you guys on just the good stuff. So good luck searching.